Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a nice cloud slime tutorial, and this is a very simple recipe. It is kind of something you need to work on to get, but I'm sure you guys will figure it out. And yeah, let's get on right with the video. So we're going to start off and add some glue. I'm using school glue here, but you can do glue all. Then I'm just adding in some foaming facial cleanser and some glycerin. Now this is totally optional. It can be any base slime recipe you want. I just kind of, went with that. So now you're going to mix that all together and go ahead and activate it. And again, you don't have to use the same recipe I'm using. Then you're going to want to activate it till it gets to this nice, regular slime texture. Not too overactivated, not too sticky. And then we're going to take some instant snow. This is some snow I got off of Amazon. It's the one I always use, but I'm sure any kind would work. You want to add that in and add some water to it. Now my tip for this is less water is better. I prefer having it dry. Don't add too much water or your cloud slime will be very icy and it'll leave a lot of residue. So now you can go ahead and get your slime you made earlier and add that into the snow mixture. And you want to do this until it gets to a cloud cream consistency. Mine kind of melted, as you can see, but I just added in some activator and it fixed it right up. And then I went ahead and added in some dry instant snow just to top it off. And yeah, it is normal for the snow to fall out, so don't be all concerned and stuff. It'll be like that for the first day, and you just want to let it sit in a container for about a day or two, and it should clear up. Play with it, see how it is, and the snow fallout should go away. And then with the rest of your snow, if you have extra, you can just add it into an airtight container. And yeah, that's basically it. It's a very simple tutorial. It may take some time, but you guys will definitely get it. It's a super nice recipe. Again, you can use any kind of base slime you'd like. I usually use something else, but just for this video, I kind of just did a simple base recipe. The glycerin, by the way, is just my type of lotion. I just don't use lotion. I use glycerin because it, in my opinion, it doesn't have scent or anything. So I definitely recommend that. But yeah, you can color this with food coloring paint. You can basically do whatever you want with it. It's a super nice cloud slime recipe. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I definitely would appreciate if you guys would tell me some ideas for new videos and stuff. So yeah, comment down below, notification fam, and I will shout you out in my next video. In the beginning, I will take a screenshot and you'll get to be in my next video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!